Hi my loves, so today I'm going to be doing a video that I have not done on this channel yet, and it's a dupe video. I don't normally go out searching for dupes. They kind of normally just smack me in the face. They're just one of those things that I never really go out searching for. I kind of just stumble upon them here and there, and I never actually done a dedicated video showing you guys a dupe that I feel is very worth checking out. So if you're curious, the high-end version of this product that I'm going to be talking about is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Lipstick in the shade Child Star. And this is a very light nude pink shade. If it'll focus for me so you guys can see. There we go. That is what that one looks like. And the dupe that I want to show you guys today for that product is the NYX Lip Lingerie, sorry, tongue twister, in the shade number 3 Lace Detail, and I'll show you guys up close what this one looks like. And actually I will show you guys them side by side. Let me kind of do more of the open area so you guys can kind of see the colors together. So in the packaging, they look very similar, but I feel like in some lighting, one just looks like it has a little bit more pink to it. But when you look at them in the swatch, you'll see that they are almost exact dupes for each other, which is amazing because the Too Faced one retails for $21 and the NYX one retails for $7. So a third of the price tag to the Too Faced one. That is a steal in comparison. Now, the one thing I will say, and I definitely need to know, is that the product amount is very different in these as well. You get 7 mils of product in the Too Faced and 4 mils in the NYX. That is slightly more than half that you'll get in the NYX, but it is still a good 3 mils less than the Too Faced. And some people are a little bit concerned with things like that because if a dupe is a dupe, a lot of the times it's called that because it's cheaper, but it's the exact same look of a product as the higher end version. Now, one of the things people are concerned about is if I buy a dupe and it has less product than the higher end version, I'm gonna have to buy that product more often to reach the same amount of product as it has in the higher end version. I hope that makes sense. If I wanted to get 7 mils of product in the NYX, I would have to buy more than one of the NYX lip lingeries, if that makes more sense. So that is a concern that some people have, but I don't think by any means this is too little of product. I definitely think that it's still a good amount. It's just one of those things you're gonna have to consider. The NYX ones also go on sale and have more availability to be used with coupons. So that for me, I think is already making it even more of a deal, because even if you had to say buy 2 of these products, that's about $14. If I can get coupons and rewards points and deals on this one a lot more readily than this one, I'll still be able to get a cheaper price for this, even if I had to buy more, if that makes sense. So I really feel like this is just all around a better option than this one, unless you wanted to buy this one strictly because you love Too Faced and you want to support their brand, and also you just like the packaging and the name. It's really just user preference at that point, but I do want to let you guys know about the NYX one, because if you are somebody who fell in love with the NYX or the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipsticks and you wanted the same look but you can't really afford it, or you don't feel that it's worth spending the money on, definitely try this one out. So I'm gonna just show you guys the swatch right now. So this is what they look like swatched on my hand. As you can see, pretty much exact, right guys? It's so similar that it's uncanny. So this one right here is the Too Faced one, and this one is the NYX. Even when I'm looking at it here, I'll say the Too Faced one is slightly more opaque, but the NYX one can definitely be built up. This is both just one coat, so that's one thing to also consider. This one is slightly more pigmented than this one, but I'm sure if I put one coat on of this one, an extra coat, it would be built up and look the exact same. But color-wise, they look the exact same. And that's another thing. Some people say that dupes have to be very similar in formula as well. I think if you can get the dupe to work and look the same as the higher end version, it's still a dupe. So 2 layers of this equaling 1 layer of this, still fine for me because the color is gonna be the same, and honestly, you can lie and say you're wearing the Too Faced one if you wanna. Just saying. Some people are really into the whole brand name thing, so definitely if you wanted to just cop out and say that you're wearing that, you can. But I just wanted to let you guys know about these. Hopefully this helped you guys and was just a little bit of a tidbit or a little fun fact in case you guys were interested in trying out this shade by Too Faced and you wanted to decide on it and see if you like the color on you. Go for the cheaper version first, see if you like it, and then if you do really like this shade and were interested in investing a little bit more into it, you can go ahead and check out the Too Faced one. But that is pretty much all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more dupe videos or just more videos in general from me, definitely go down into the bottom of this video and hit that subscribe button. I don't know what side it's on, and the bell, because subscribing is a two-step process nowadays. And then also don't forget to thumbs this video up so that I know that you like dupe videos and would like to see more from me. Maybe I'll become one of those people who actually goes out and searches for dupes instead of just stumbling across them every now and then. So let me know in the comments if you like that as well so that I can know what videos you guys would like to see. Hope you guys like this. Hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye everybody.